Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to deposit, withdraw money with Perfect Money. First thing that you will do guys is of course go to perfectmoney.com and just simply sign in into your account. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go over to my account over here at the top right. And now from here, just simply go ahead and click on withdraw over here. And from here, you should be able to see here all of the available ways that Perfect Money has to offer. So just simply select what you prefer. Let's say I'm going to go for Bitcoin. And from here, just simply go ahead and provide your information or your wallet and click on this, create new withdrawal. And from here, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And now if you want to deposit, you can just simply click on this over here. And then now it will be just the same thing. Just simply go ahead and select what you prefer. You can go for cash deposit and multiple others. So let's say I'm going to go for cash deposit. And from here, click on create a new one. And now just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed as well. And just simply follow the prompts. And that's simply about it. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.